Hi everybody, and welcome back to our next video on the Bell 505. So today we've got something a little bit special for you. This 505 is the newest one in the UK. Now what makes this different to the other 505s in the UK, this one's equipped with the Garmin NXi screens. Now we featured those in our previous 407 video, which you may have seen, but if you haven't, we are going to do a separate video on the differences between the Garmin 1000 and the Garmin NXi. Don't worry too much, if you can use a Garmin 1000, you can use an NXi. It's just faster, more clarity, a little bit of change in the buttons. But what we're going to do with you on this video, we're going to show you how we take an aircraft in a container, how it's delivered here to us, and how we get it to a flying aircraft. So we're going to show you the whole build process over a time-lapse video.